Oh, hey. Sorry, I was just checking Google reviews. What's up, fellow marketers? I'm Chris Kapelski, and this is Marketing Tip Monday. Today's marketing tip number 137, reviews matter. Let me share something interesting with you. Did you know that 91% of people trust an online review as much as they do a personal recommendation? 91%. 91% of people out there are like, yeah, Mom, that's great. I know it's a good product, but I'm going to go see what Bob has to say on Amazon. I really want to hear what Bob has to say. 91%, that's crazy. Reviews matter. It's fact. So what can you do about it? I have two recommendations for you. First and foremost, Google reviews matter. If you don't have clients leaving you Google reviews, you need to start now. In fact, Google just had the reviews shut down for everything that was going on, but they have just recently restarted people leaving Google reviews. So any reviews that have been backlogged or any new reviews are now going through. So step one is get your reviews on Google. The best way to do that is to create a personalized Google review link that you can email directly to clients. I would say maybe from 2 years ago. Go back 2 years and everybody you've done business with say, hey, here's a direct link. I'd love for you to leave us a review on Google. And if you don't know how to create that link, we have an awesome blog over at idstoledo.com that'll tell you how to create your own personalized review link. The second big thing that you have to start doing now is getting reviews wherever else that you participate on social media. So if you participate a lot on Facebook, make sure customers are leaving you Facebook reviews. If you participate a lot on Amazon selling products, make sure your customers that are buying your products are leaving your reviews because people will care, Bob or whoever, of what they say about those products that they're buying. It doesn't matter, TripAdvisor, Yelp, any social platform, wherever you're participating, make sure that people are leaving you reviews because reviews really do matter. So that's it for today. If you guys want to follow us in future Marketing Tip Mondays, go check us out on Facebook. We put all our Marketing Tip Mondays on there. So that's it for today. I look forward to seeing you guys next time on Marketing Tip Monday. We'll see ya.